Hi, my name is Brad Apold. I received services from Timberline roofing. I had some hail damage and some siding damage, and I have known Gordy since I was a childhood friend, so it was an easy transition for me to give him a call. I met Gordy when we were in 4th grade, and through the years, we both went to Mankato State. Business was his line of expertise, so it was pretty easy to reach out and contact him, regarding the roof and the damage that was done. We received a hailstorm, and we needed to get the work done really quick. There was a lot of damage. We were concerned about possible water damage along with it, but Gordy and the team, they came in and they re-shingled and they resided everything in a timely fashion, and everything looks brand new and great like it did before. Since I used Timberline in the previous house, it just made sense. The first time around, it was effortless. From step by step, they just laid out the time frame, and they came and did the work, and the cleanup was fantastic. And it was, when it came to time to do it again, it just made sense to me. I called Gordy. He was actually over the next day. He was on top of the roof, inspected the damage, confirmed that, yep, you need a new roof, and the siding was also cracked. He just gave me an estimate and a time frame, and everything was executed, I think, perfectly. I mean, when they said they were going to show up to do the job, they were there. They were there for maybe 2 days, like they said they were going to be. And the cleanup was impeccable, as if they weren't even there, except for the finished product. Yeah, we originally had the 3-tab, I believe it was the 3-tab shingles. Gordy talked us into using the architectural shingles instead, so we upgraded, and that was the best thing I think we ever did for the look of the house at the end. It really enhanced it. After they put up the roof, there was another small hailstorm. Gordy hopped on top of the roof free of charge, and he went and inspected it again, and he didn't find any damage whatsoever. I would 100% recommend Timberline to do my roof and siding again. From beginning to end, it's concise. They explain exactly what's going to happen and when, and at the very end, the finished product, it speaks for itself.